I want to talk to you about no credit check business lines of credit from alternative lenders, okay? Not from banks, not from credit unions, but instead from alternative lenders. So here are the top lenders I want you to really pay attention to. First, you have Shore Funding Solutions. So Shore Funding Solutions offers a no credit check business line of credit. And the cool thing is that you get approved within 24 to 48 hours, okay? Shore Funding Solutions. The cool thing is that they have a streamlined application. You can apply online and get approved real fast. And the good thing is that even if you are a startup, Shore Funding Solutions can actually work with you, not a problem. There are some states, some states where they actually offer the credit building program, whereas they will report your data to Dun and Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian every single month. Okay, but it depends on your location, by the way. But the cool thing is that you have no document business loans, no document business lines of credit, no credit check, and you have a business line of credit that's actually tailored to your business needs. Okay, so that's the cool thing about the Shore Funding Solutions, and the process actually to apply for a business line of credit or even business loan for that matter is actually pretty straightforward through Shore Funding Solutions. So you have three main steps. Step number one, you apply in minutes. So minimum documentation is required, and applying will not affect your credit score. So there is a soft pull sort of process. Step number two, you will review the offers that Shore Funding Solutions send you. I mean, they will send you a series of offers based on your financial profile. And number three, you get the funds. Again, you get the funds within 24 to 48 hours. So that's really how fast you can get things through Shore Funding Solutions. One thing I want to say here is that Shore Funding Solutions will they may call you to have more conversations. They will call you to have one extra conversation with you if they have questions. Okay, and but otherwise everything happens online. Everything happens via email, and you should be approved real fast. If you're looking for a no credit check business line of credit, I want you to think about Clarify Capital this year. And Clarify Capital has been around for many, many years now, and so this really attests to the solidity of their business model, or if you will, they have a strong, proven track record. Okay, and so you have a no credit check business line of credit that goes all the way to $5 million. $5 million. That's very generous from an alternative lender. Okay, so no credit check. So $5 million. You are funded within 24 to 48 hours. So that's really good. It gives you a extra flexibility, and you have a APR as low as 5%, which is really good because normally no credit check business lines of credit or business loans for that matter, they command a higher APR. But Clarify Capital is really keeping its APR pretty decent, so that's really good. Minimum 5%. There are no prepayment penalties, and you are able to build up your credit rating. So Clarify Capital, based on your instruction, may report your data to Dun and Bradstreet and Equifax Business. They do not report to Experian Business. They will report to Equifax Business and Dun and Bradstreet. So that's really good because it gives you more flexibility. And in terms of their business line of credit, the program runs from 6 to 18 months. Okay, it's really available in as little as 24 hours. There is no personal credit requirements, and there are no prepayment penalties. And you have the ability to actually get cash real fast for your business. I mean, cash for purchasing materials and supplies, for instance, repairing and maintaining business equipment, covering also day-to-day expenses during slow seasons, and also investing in expansion opportunities. So that's really good in terms of giving you more options. Okay, so Clarify Capital, wonderful lender to consider this year if you are looking for a no credit check business line of credit that really approves real fast. If you're looking for a no credit check business line of credit from an alternative lender, I want to introduce you SMB Compass. And SMB Compass is a pretty good lender that will approve you for a maximum business line of credit of 5 million. So you have lines that go from 10,000 all the way to 5 million. So you are able to get approved real fast within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, that's actually the speed of funding. I mean, the speed of approval, but also funding. So once your application is approved, basically SMB Compass will open a credit line with a credit limit between 10,000 and between 10,000 to $5 million. So the exact amount at SMB will depend on your qualifications, specifically your business credit score, your annual revenue, and your business history. Essentially, if your business has a stellar credit history and financials, you will have a higher chance of credit approval. So something to really think about. But at least the good thing is that SMB Compass will work with you, okay, through the application process, through the approval process, through the post approval, also in terms of the draw, the repayment, but also the reborrow. So something to really think about. So consider actually SMB Compass as your partner when it comes to getting a business line of credit. One thing I want to say also is that with SMB Compass, they will assign you an account manager. So this account manager will have all answers that you need for you to run a successful business line of credit program. Okay, so consider this rep ask this rep any questions. Okay, that's really important. And also SMB Compass will work with you to get other forms of business funding. For instance, they have a program where they allow business owners to apply for a business credit card and actually be approved for a high limit. So maybe they will work with you if they see that you are a good fit for their program. So, and again, this is a program they actually run. They run like multiple times during the year. So that's really good. If you're looking for a no credit check business line of credit from an alternative lender, I want you to consider Rock Financial this year. And Rock Financial will give you like a loan amount, a line of credit amount that goes from 10,000 to 5 million. So same thing. You can see that all those lenders, they're giving you anywhere from 10,000 to 5 million. And this is the same thing Rock Financial is actually offering you. Okay, a business line of credit that goes from 10,000 all the way to $5 million. And you can actually be approved within 24 to 36 hours. That's really good. And also now with Rock Financial, they want you to have a minimum revenue amount. That's $5,000. $5,000. And that's the minimum they have there. So that's gross revenue. That's not net, that's gross. And that actually, so you can have 5,000 a month, or you can have 60,000 in annual gross sales. So annual gross sales, $60,000. Okay, and the cool thing is that you also have through Rock Financial, you have the use of AI to speed up their approval processes. So basically, they use artificial intelligence, for instance, to streamline the funding process. So you can get an instant pre-approval and flexible loan option that really fits your business needs. So that's really good. So if you're interested in Rock Financial, what you want to do is that you want to really you want to go online and you want to apply. You want to really follow the process. And what's the process look like? Well, you want to apply online, so secure an instant pre-approval. So and you can complete the application process within seconds. And then once you're pre-approved, you want to review your loan options. So your personal loan advisor will discuss finance options available with you for your business, and then you receive your funds. So you can finish the online application process and receive your funds in as little as 24 hours. So it can be that fast. So something to really think about. If you're looking for a no credit check business line of credit from an alternative lender, I want you to think about Swoop. And Swoop actually is pretty good in terms of giving you a business line of credit marketplace, a business loan marketplace. Anything you need for you to really implement your business model. Okay, whether you're a startup or you are an existing business, you are going to love what Swoop is actually offering. Okay, and by the way, Swoop also does equity financing, so you are able to get connected with business angels, venture capital investors, and crowdfunding investors. And you can also find equity investors via government initiatives. Okay, so that's really good from a flexibility point of view. And what I want to say is that with Swoop, you do have the flexibility that comes with anything. You have the possibility to know what works and what doesn't work, and that's really good from a flexibility point of view. Okay, and so you can have a no credit check business line of credit from alternative lenders through a Swoop, and your maximum here is $1 million. Okay, that's pretty consequential. But through Swoop, you have other loans. If for any reason you don't like, you don't want to have the business line of credit through them, you can actually apply for other loans, and you could be approved. Okay, so you have they have business loans for veterans, business loans for minorities, commercial finance, working capital loans, small business loans, bad credit business loans. So that's really cool. You have fast business loans, same day business loans, easy business loans, LLC loans. A lot of possibilities here. Okay, and what I want to say is that it really depends on your company's business model. But you have LLC loans, cash flow loans, no credit check business loans, semi truck financing, secured business loans, unsecured business loans. That's really cool. Equipment financing. So again, you can see that you can see the depth of offer that comes with Swoop. You have asset finance, asset-based lending, accounts receivable financing, invoice factoring, invoice discounting, invoice finance, and so on and so forth. If you're looking for a no credit check business line of credit from an alternative lender, I want you to really think about Sunwise Capital. And Sunwise Capital will give you a maximum loan amount of it depends on how much you want, but they will give you anywhere from $10,000 to $2 million. Okay, that's really good from an affordability point of view. And you have a business line of credit. You can also get an unsecured business loan. You can get a merchant cash advance. You can get a business loan. And you can get a large business loan. I mean, you can actually secure up to $5 million for growth or consolidation. So this is great for flexible and substantial financing arrangement. Okay, but the cool thing about Sunwise Capital is that they are very flexible and you can be approved real fast. Okay, they also have a process in place where you are getting pre-approved, so there's no impact on your FICO score, by the way. So that's really good. And what I want to say here is that you are able to also talk to a rep. So what Sunwise Capital does, kind of similar to what the other lenders do, is that they actually will pair you up with a rep, and the rep will answer all questions that you might have. Okay. And so again, if for any reason you don't like the business line of credit program they have, you can always tap into their merchant cash advance or their fast business loans that really approve you for up to $500,000, or their large business loans that approve you up to $5 million. But you are able to apply online in minutes. You get instant approval. You can receive funds within hours. Okay, and you can boost actually your business with hassle-free loans tailored to your needs. Okay, so you have all kinds of loan types at Sunwise Capital. You have bad credit business loans, business lines of credit, business loans, fast business loans, invoice factoring, large business loans, merchant cash advance, revolving lines of credit, SBA loans, short-term business loans, unsecured business loans, veterans business loans, and working capital loans. So again, you have a lot of flexibility there. If you're looking for a no credit check business line of credit from an alternative lender, I want you to really think about the South Florida Funding Group. By the way, South Florida doesn't, they don't really restrict their operating model to Florida. They cover the whole United States, the whole 50 states. So it doesn't matter if you're somewhere in Oregon or somewhere in Alaska or even Hawaii for that matter, you can still qualify for financing through actually South Florida Funding Group. And what I want to say here is that they really will pay attention to a few things. This is a lender that likes to go granular. So South Florida Funding Group likes to go granular before accepting you a business loan or business line of credit. Okay. But the cool thing about the South Florida Funding Group is that they are involved in funding all kinds of programs, including you have a hemp, CBD, and cannabis. They have business loans utilizing New Market Federal Tax Credit. So this is really cool. You have residential investment-based loans, including fix and flip. You have also commercial real estate investment loans. So the amounts are higher, by the way. So this is not only $1,000 or $10,000 amount. We're speaking about millions here, okay? You have commercial real estate investment loans. That's another possibility for you to really understand that you don't have to do anything, okay? You have SBA loans. You have also, but the point I'm trying to make is what? With South Florida Funding Group, you have a lender that's really gets involved into a lot of things, okay? That's the idea here. For instance, you have equipment leasing and financing, which has nothing to do with unsecured and small business loans, okay? But if you want to have, let's say, a business line of credit, I want you to think about $10,000 all the way to $500,000. Okay, so those are the limits for a business line of credit, and the timing 24 to 48 hours, and funding 3 days in many cases, and certain cases will require additional documentation, extending the approval and funding process. In terms of requirements, they want you to be in business for at least 6 months, okay, and have annual monthly revenue of $25,000. So you got to make some money. That's something to really think about, especially in the long run. So as a recap into this conversation, I spoke to you about the best no credit check business lines of credit from alternative lenders. I give you the top lenders and the recap. Top lenders include Shore Funding Solutions, Clarify Capital, SMB Compass, Rock Financial, Swoop, Sunwise Capital, and South Florida Funding Group. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.